Eastern PA Weather Authority Meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for the weekend, July 30th and 31st, 2016. And to end the month of July, we're going to have a very unsettled couple of days here with an area of low pressure that's going to be moving in from the west, and that's going to bring showers and thunderstorms, we think, from this afternoon, and it'll be a little bit earlier in the afternoon further west and further southwest, and then later in the afternoon further north and east. And that will bring these showers and thunderstorms eastward through the evening hours into the overnight, and then it's going to continue again as showers on the day during the day on Sunday. I'm going to take this a little bit forward from here to take you to the early afternoon hours. You can see some scattered showers and thunderstorms popping across there. These, of course, the global models. Then we get to the evening hours, we have those showers and thunderstorms a little bit more concentrated. Let's go over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. Show you what we're looking at. Here is at 2 p.m., just starting to get going at this point with a few pop-up cells across the region. As we get to the next frame here, you can see they start increasing in intensity as they move off to the north and east. Now, one thing I have to say about these storms are not everywhere is going to get hit by these storms, but the areas that do have the potential to have some very heavy rainfall with these. We have very high precipitable water value content again, and we also have these storms are very slow moving. They're not in a hurry to move anywhere. So we're going to have some pretty heavy rain as shown here on the NAM 4 kilometer here. So this is showing the potential for that heavy rain. And you see it hasn't really moved much over the course of a couple hours, and then it just kind of sits there and sits there. And we're now looking at 6 p.m. By the way, I started this off at 2 p.m. Here's 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see what's going on here. It's just increasing in coverage. And this whole batch lifting off the north, but you can see some of the same areas getting hit with a heavier rain. So there is the potential to have in some of these training of storms that we're expecting to have greater than 1.5 inches of rain in those particular areas. But we didn't want to alarm the entire area because, one, we don't know where that's going to set up exactly, just because this model shows that this could be over here over Harrisburg, or it could be over 100 County, New Jersey. So, we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. But those areas that get the same training of storms over and over again can easily get over 1.5 inches. It just won't be over a widespread area. Going a little bit further from this, as it continues into the nighttime hours here, become more of a stratiform rain with, which means it's absent of convection, and that's going to go into Sunday, we think. Here's a look at very early Sunday at 5 o'clock in the morning. Most of the activity, and here's 7. Here's most of the activity is further north across the Poconos, and this is going to be bad news for those trying to attend the Pocono race here on Sunday. I don't see you getting out of the clouds and showers, any early activity. Even if you do get a little bit of a break here at times during the day on Sunday, it's going to take a lot for the track to dry out. So in this situation, you're going to need a couple hours to get the track dry. And you're going to have some kind of just raw, damp, raw and damp conditions with the southeast wind, and those dew points still pretty high. So it's going to be very difficult to dry the track even when it's not raining. But those showers you can see hanging out all afternoon. So it's going to be very tough to get the Pocono race here in on Sunday. Going further back to the global models again, this is later Saturday. We're going to go forward from this point and show you what Sunday looks like on the globals anyway. And again, just these widely scattered showers, but mainly concentrated across northeastern PA on Sunday, but just about anywhere can get into those showers. Then we get into Monday, still going to allow for an isolated shower. We'll get to Monday here as this system is pulling away. Here's that isolated shower chance in the afternoon or maybe in the early evening further south and east, but just a slight chance of a shower or a thunderstorm with that, not a big deal. As we go into Tuesday, we finally clear out. That continues into Wednesday, and again on Thursday, we're also clear with high pressure in control. We're actually going to start increasing the temperatures a little bit, finally, once we get towards the end of the week. So we're going to be in the kind of low to mid 80s here for a couple days, and until we get to about Thursday. Thursday, I think we had in the upper 80s to near 90 in some places. So we're going to start making a run at 90 toward the end of the week, and looks like we're going to be warming it up all the way up through at least Friday. Then another cold front's going to come through for Saturday, knock temperatures back down, it looks like, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So right now it looks like the rainiest time period obviously is going to be this afternoon through this evening and overnight. And then we still have those leftover showers then continuing here on Sunday, it looks like. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for the weekend, July 30th and 31st, 2016. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.